So in this video, you'll learn how to turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning on or off on your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Location. Under Location, you want to ensure that your location services are enabled. Then you should see the option Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Simply tap on it. From here, you should see Wi-Fi scanning with a toggle next to it and a Bluetooth scanning with a toggle underneath Wi-Fi scanning. So with these two features enabled like this, it means that your phone is allowed to scan for any nearby devices or any nearby networks so that it can connect. If you want to turn them off, then you can just tap on the toggle like that, and then both of them will be disabled. To turn them on, just tap on the toggle. You can also choose to just turn one on and disable the other, and vice versa if you really want to. And that's how you can turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning on or off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.